Hey there, travel enthusiasts. If you're like me, you love exploring new places, but hate how pricey flights can be. Today, I'm going to share some expert tips on how to save big by comparing flights. So buckle up and let's get started. First things first, always use multiple search engines. Websites like Google Flights, Skyscanner, and Momondo are great for getting a broad view of price ranges. Don't rely on just one site. Each one might show different deals. Next, set up fare alerts. Many flight comparison sites allow you to set notifications for specific routes and dates. This way, you'll be the first to know when prices drop. Trust me, being proactive can save you hundreds. Be flexible with your travel dates. Flying midweek instead of on the weekend can drastically cut costs. Use the flexible dates feature on most flight comparison tools to see how shifting your trip by a day or two can impact the price. Here's a pro tip. Consider nearby airports. Sometimes flying into or out of a different airport can make a huge difference in price. For example, if you're heading to New York, check flights to Newark and LaGuardia, not just JFK. Don't forget about budget airlines. They often don't show up on major search engines, so check their websites directly. But be mindful of extra fees. Sometimes what looks like a great deal can add up quickly if you're not careful. Ever heard of the hidden city trick? This is when you book a flight with a layover in your desired city and just don't take the final leg. Sites like SkipLagged can help you find these deals, but beware of the risks, like checked bags going to the final destination. If you're really adventurous, try booking separate legs of your trip. Sometimes booking two one-way tickets can be cheaper than a round trip. Just make sure you leave enough time between flights to avoid any stress. Lastly, always clear your cookies or use incognito mode when searching for flights. It prevents sites from tracking your searches and potentially hiking up prices. All right, folks, that's a wrap. With these expert flight comparison tips, you'll be jet-setting for less in no time. Safe travels and happy savings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel hacks. See you in the next adventure.